Interesting facts about Mandarin duck. The Mandarin duck, Ics galericulata, is a strikingly colorful and attractive bird native to East Asia. Male Mandarin ducks are known for their vivid plumage, with a mix of iridescent blues, purples, and oranges, along with a distinctive sail-like crest. Females are more subdued, with a primarily gray-brown appearance and white eye ring. They typically inhabit wooded areas near shallow lakes, marshes, or ponds. In the wild, they are often found in East Asia, including China, Japan, and Korea. Mandarin ducks are strong flyers and can be seen perched in trees, unlike many other duck species. They are also known for their elaborate courtship displays. They usually nest in tree cavities near water. The female lays around 9 to 12 eggs and incubates them for about 28 to 30 days. Ducklings leave the nest shortly after hatching, often leaping from high tree cavities to the ground. Mandarin ducks breed in densely wooded areas near shallow lakes, marshes, or ponds. They nest in cavities in trees close to water during the spring. A single clutch of 9 to 12 eggs is laid in April or May. In Chinese culture, Mandarin ducks are a symbol of love and marital fidelity. Pairs are often depicted in traditional art, and they are considered an auspicious symbol for weddings and romantic partnerships. They frequently appear in Chinese poetry, paintings, and decorative arts, often portrayed as an inseparable pair. The mandarin is one of the few introduced species in Britain that has not created any environmental problems, mainly because it uses a habitat not favored by our native wildfowl. Female mandarins don't quack, but they do make a series of clucking calls that are invariably uttered when they see danger. They are extremely maneuverable flyers, able to fly through trees with remarkable agility. In the early morning, mandarin ducks usually fly out of their night habitat and gather in the pond to forage. About 1 or 2 hours later, they return to the branches or rocks near the pond to rest. Mandarins can readily be maintained in an aviary with a small pond or on a lake and anything in between. They are very adaptable. If provided with a suitable nesting site in the spring, they will almost certainly lay. In the wild, they nest in hollow trees, frequently using discarded woodpecker nest sites. Consequently, in captivity, they like to have a nest box that can be at ground level, but they have a preference for a raised box. Mandarin ducks are highly social, flying in large flocks during winter. Their pair bonds are very strong, and they will return to the same mate if they survive. Females initiate courtship using enticing behavior to attract a preferred male. Mandarins feed by dabbling or walking on land. They mainly eat plants and seeds, especially beech mast. The species will also add snails, insects, and small fish to its diet.